In this video, you will learn how to make money online fast, for free, and get paid in PayPal. In other words, you are going to get free PayPal money. Okay. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Side Also Delight channel. What to do right here on this channel is to teach you how to make money online fast and with simple secret method. In this channel, we are committed in teaching and showing you the best side also ideas that you can implement to begin making money online wherever you are located in the world. In other words, this is a nationwide method. This method work worldwide. Okay. Now I'm Godwin. I'm your instructor right here on this channel. If you are new here, please consider to click the like button right now until it turns blue, and also click the subscribe button and the bell close to it. It's totally free. What this does is that it helps you to get notified whenever I upload valuable video just like this particular one. All right, so guys, so with all that said, I want us to dive right into today's video. Okay guys, now before I move straight to the video, what I want to let you to understand, I want to make you understand something, that this method I'm about to show you, you may not know exactly how to go about it step by step, and this is why I want you to stick with me even as I walk you through it. Okay, so I want you to discard any form of distraction so that you'll be able to follow through exactly how you can begin to use this method to generate your money online. Okay, now what are the requirements that are needed for this method to work for you? You need to first, you need a laptop or a phone. You need a mobile phone or a computer, and also you need internet connection. Okay, those are the two things, basic things you need. And also, most importantly, you also need a PayPal account. Okay, because you are going to receive your funds through PayPal. Okay, so those are the things you need. First, you need to have either a phone or a PC. Then secondly, you need an internet connection. Then lastly, you need to have a PayPal account. And if I should include this, you need to be diligent. Okay, now the website is called validately.com. okay, that's the website. And actually the website is let me show you something. So you see, one of the reasons why I said you shouldn't just go like that and begin to do things on your own. You see this? So I'm going to be showing you are going to make money with this website absolutely for free. All right, so now as you can see right here, the basic plan is $299 per month, and this is far way bigger. So you don't need this because this is not the area that you need to begin to generate money online into your PayPal account. What you need to do is come to this website, and this is exactly how you are going to make money with this particular website. You learn from users, you collaborate with teammates. What that means is that if this is a user testing website, this website, as you can see, if your customers are Google, even Google is a customer to this particular website to tell you that it is really legit. Okay, now the user testing shouldn't be this out. How much time are you spending on actual research? You see, not time recruiting test participants, not using tools that weren't built for research, not preparing a elaborate report. How much time actually talking to users? Okay, now basically those customers for this particular website, what they do is they don't have time because they are way more busy. So you are going to be hired right here on this website, and you are going to help them to do their task. Hence, you are going to get paid. It is very very easy. Now as you can see, here is a demo illustration exactly how it works, and this is you, this is Validately, and this is your stakeholders. What means these are the people that will hire you, and these people are not going to hire you directly because you are going to be registered under this particular website. Okay, now this is you. Once you are registered under this website, whenever this website have a job that is related to what you imputed while signing up, then they are going to notify you and you are going to get paid. All right, now you can spend less time recruiting test participants and more time on research. All right, so this one is not for you, actually it's for the customers of this particular website. As you can see, start your free trial. That is not what we need right now. So what you are going to do is just come to this particular page, click on sign up. Okay, just click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, and this should pop up. Now this is why I said you should pay close attention. Now let's get you started. What are you looking for? I want to earn money testing, or I'm looking for research software. You see that? So there are two ways. This is the one that you are interested in because you want to make money online. Am I correct? Yes, I believe so. Now click on that. I want to earn money testing. Once you click on that, it is going to open up to another tab. It's going to open up to the next page. Sorry. So why it's open up to the next page? Once it's open, it opens up. All you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and just click on create an account. Once you click on create an account, now what type of mobile device do you own? Now this part you need to pay very close attention. You don't have to lie, you don't have to say what you do not have. Okay, so if you're on a mobile phone, just go ahead. If you're on Android, just say you are Android. If you are on an iPhone, just go ahead and say you are on iPhone. If you are not in any of these, just like me now, just click on other, and once you click on other, you just have to click on next. All right, now this other is going to show you what type of computer do you own. Now I'm using Windows PC, Windows 10 Pro. That's what I'm using right now, and as you can see, Windows 10. So make sure that whatever you are saying is right. Okay, now I'm a male. As you all know, I'm a male. Now click on this. What year were you born? Okay, now this part I'm not gonna I'm just going to put a random year. Okay, just make sure that your years are really correct. Okay, 14. Let me put a random year. All right, okay, the year, we just need only the year. All right, let's let's leave it this way. All right, for the purpose of the tutorial. All right, now what is your level of education? Now this part you need to be very careful. You don't have to put it less than high school, and it should not be too high, it should not be too low. Why? If it's too low, it means they might say you are not up to the task. Why? If it is too high, they say you might not need this because you are too educated. All right, so let's go for high school graduate, or better still, you can go for the one that suits you, but I believe you get what I'm trying to say. All right, so what is your employment status? Now you don't have to type put in full time. Just go ahead and put in part time or self-employed, because if you put on full time, they will say you are not permitted to work with them because you already have money, so they might not accept you. Okay, so just try and follow these simple steps that I'm showing you right now. Now click on step. In what industry are you working? All right, so your answer is very vital, so make sure you just select something that is related to something that you can easily do. Okay, of which let's go ahead and put on financials. All right, now let's click on it. What is your job title? Chief Executive, Legislative, Advertising and Promotion Manager, Marketing Manager, Sales Manager, Administrative Service Manager, and let's choose any random one for this purpose. Okay, Now, what's your annual household income? Now, this is also important. It should not be too low, it should not be too high. Okay, now let's put let's say uh let's just take this particular one because it's good. All right, what is your full name? Okay, my name is Godwin. That's my name. All right, now what's your email? I'm going to put a random email right here. Okay, I'm going to put a random email, and we're going to be asked to complete I'm not a robot. All right, so it will show you I'm not a robot. Fill in not a robot, then you just have to fill that in. Once that is done, I'm not a robot, you know, you already know how to do this, right? So you just have to verify that you are not a robot. It is 100% free. Then it should permit you to go to the next step. What is your PayPal email? This is very, very important because this is where you are going to get paid. Okay, you are going to get paid through PayPal. So this part is very, very vital. We use PayPal to send you an incentive for your participation. You see that? So your PayPal email be something that you that is connected to your real PayPal account. Okay, now let me put a random email right here. Random email. Let me put a random email right here. Okay, because I may not random PayPal email for the purpose of the tutorial. Okay, so what you need to do next is complete a robot. You'll be asked to complete a robot, then you'll be prompted to go to the next step. Okay, while it's loading up, let's just wait for a second. It's loading up. All right, so once you put in your PayPal account and the rest, you'll be prompted to go to the next step. Okay, now let's see what we've got. All right, now one thing you must understand, you must make sure that the PayPal email that you are putting right here is really, really correct, because they will detect it. It is automated somehow, so just make sure that. So if your country doesn't accept PayPal, or like Nigeria, there's another way you can do some of those stuff, and just let me know in the comment section below so that I will give you more money making ideas. Okay, now you choose your password. Now I'm gonna choose a random password. Okay, let's see. So you'll be asked to put in a password. So just click on next. Detect my location. What time zone do you live in? So you can just click on detect my location and click on allow location, and your location is going to be allowed, and it will automatically get your time zone, because so that you will be able to get the right job at the particular time that it is needed. Now, by joining our panel, you agree to our panel terms and services. If you wish, you can go ahead and read those, of which I'm not going to. Now, yes, I agree. Then just click on sign up and thanks for signing up. You have been sent a confirmation email with a link to our screen tester. Before you can get paid to take tests, you must take the simple 1-minute screener test to show that your responses will be good quality. To pass our screener test, you must use recent Chrome browser only. Do not use Internet Explorer or Firefox, of which I'm using Chrome browser. Now make sure your microphone is turned on, all right, of which is on. Read each task aloud, speak your thoughts aloud, answer the follow-up question. All right, so all you have to do is you just have to click on take the screener test now, and that's it. You are good to go. But first, remember, you just have to go and confirm your email. Then that's it. You are registered. All right, guys. So that's what I decided to show you today. I hope that you have found value in this video. In case you have found value in this video, please don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe in case you are new to this channel. Thank you very much. I remain your boy EO Godwin, the CEO, okay, of Side Also Delight channel. So thank you very much for watching this channel. I hope to see you on my next video. We upload videos right here almost every single day. All right, so that's what we're going to be doing right here on this channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Until I see you again on this same channel, on this same Peace.